So since this is our first class, so we are discussing about the some introduction about the BTP. BTP. So first of all, what is BTP? It is a platform as a service. So it's a platform as a service. Not only platform as a service, some services are software as a service also here. Right? So BTP business technology platform. It's a so business so technology platform, business technology platform. It's a platform as a service. Also, some services are software as a service here. So BTP can be delivered to customer in two ways. So BTP can be delivered to customers in two ways here. One is the so BTP services. BTP means in the BTP we have set of services, tools, right? So databases, solutions, all are there. So those are categorized into the two ways here. One is the platform as a service, and also the second one is the software as a service here. But most of the services are the platform as a service here. If anyone asks what is BTP means, BTP is a business technology platform. It is a platform to the customers to extend or to build their services in the cloud side, in the cloud platform, in the cloud. If you want to build the your SAP, your any applications, or if you want to extend your on-premise environment to the cloud, BTP is the one of the platform. So there you can utilize the BTP provided solutions and everything. You can use it here. It is a unified platform that combines the many services. So database, analytical services, artificial intelligence services, application development services, automation, integration. So there are the multi-services they are providing here. It's an open and also it's a multi-cloud platform that provides product and services, multiple products and multiple services to the customers here. That provides it's a multi-cloud platform. So multi-cloud platform here. So it's not like that you can only deploy your services on the only one infra platform, only one cloud platform, right? Here, who is the cloud providers here, right? Normally, we know the cloud providers here, right? So the cloud providers means AWS, then Azure, then so GCP and SAP, and so Alibaba Cloud, Alibaba Cloud and IBM Cloud. They are the cloud providers here. So we can deploy services on the multi-cloud platform, which means BTP is a multi-cloud platform, which means so some service on the AWS, some service on the Azure, some service on the GCP. How you want to deploy, you can deploy it here. So that's why SAP mentioned like it's a customer choice to choose to deploy your services or your applications on the multi-cloud platform. So that provides the platform that provides the multiple services, multiple products, multiple tools for the business here, right? So it's not only services, it's not only things here. It's a more than that. It's a more than that they're providing here. It's a more than that they're providing here, right? So BTP can help BTP means in the BTP we have the services, tools, applications, free delivered, predefined templates, so databases. So many things are there here, applications, many things are there here. So which can help business to extend their on-premise SAP applications to be in the cloud platform. Also, the customer who wants to go for the who wants to go for the beat cloud solutions directly, so they can install it. Means who can benefit by using this BTP services here. So the existing customers, they can get benefit, and also the new customers, they can get benefit here. how they can get benefit here by using the BTP solutions here. It's kind of a ready-made solutions, ready-made services, ready-made applications, ready-made databases, ready-made tools. Everything will be the ready-made here in the BTP. So just you have to go and pick up and you have to subscribe and you have to start using it here. So if you don't have this kind of platform as a services, what we have to do, we need to procure the, suppose like example, if you want to build the SAP application or database application, so what you have to do, you need to procure the hardware, right? Place you required, you need to procure the hardware, then install the operating system, right? Then install the, so on top of the operating system, a license you need to purchase it again, right? Then maintenance activities for the operating system, right? Maintenance activity, support activity, some separate team is required for the operating system procurement, separate network you required, right? Then application, so any one of the application software you required to use it here, then license also you required, and also you need to support, you need to, you need separate team for maintaining the applications, for maintenance activities here, right? So these are the license, these are the many things like, and also you need to spend the time, you need to spend the time and also cost, separate license for the operating system, so network, and separate license for the license, separate license for the, so separate license for the your application or database. So there are many things you have to do, separate licenses, and you have to spend much time, and also you have to spend money. So all the configurations, everything we have to do it in case of if you are planning in the on-premise environment, right? Your own premises, it is the, so you can just spend the much time on this area. Suppose if you take the same services in the BTP, you no need to spend much time on the, you no need to spend much time on the this all those things. So directly just to pick the related service from the BTP, pick the related services in BTP, just you can start so building the logic directly. You can start building the logic directly, which means you no need to, you no need to spend time on, so hardware side, right? You don't need to spend time on hardware side, and also money. So you need to money, and also no separate licenses, only one licenses under one shop. So you know, there is a lot of things are get benefits here, minimizing here, right? Tomorrow itself, if you want to start the one business application, then you can take today, then next 1 hour you can start building the logic of your business applications and everything. You can take it out here, right? So it's a made up of, so it's a so BTP is made up of 5 technology portfolios, 5 technology portfolios here. Using these 5 technologies for, that is called the 5 pillars in the BTP. You can use, they have separated their all the services tools into the, segregated into the five services here, 5 categories here, right? So those 5 categories into the, so one is the, that time, so I explained that one is the, so databases analytics, right? So they can, so means using the services directly, you can start building the logic here. Instead of wasting time on installations, configurations, licenses, procurement, separate data centers, separate team, you are, a lot of things you are saving here by using the BTP services here, right? So they have their services and solutions can be categorized into the 5 main pillars here. 5 main pillars here. Previously, it had only 4. Now it's a 5 main pillars here. One is the application development related things. So all the application development related tools and services, so all comes under the application development related pillar here, right? Automation kind of things will comes under the one pillar here, right? And also the integration related services and tools are into the one pillar. Then the fourth one is called the database, data and data analytics related, SAP analytics related things are in one color. And second one is the AI, artificial, third, sorry, fifth one is the AI. So it is the AI related AI core, launchpad, some business services, AI related things are in the, so one solution here. One solution here in the under one umbrella, one solutions they have so installed, they have integrated here, right? So that is the BTP side here. So BTP, is it the platform is not new for everybody. So SAP, but recently it got famous from 2020 onwards. BTP, from BTP, they changed their word naming conventions to the BTP here. So let's start discussing about the some history of the BTP here, right? So when they entered into the PaaS market, I think already discussed, but again just giving the brief history. So what happened actually? So when they have so coming to the PaaS market here, right? So BTP, so normally the word of naming convention in Jan 2021, they have changed, they have rebranded their word from cloud platform to BTP like that. So they have rebranded their word. But so coming to the history of the BTP, it contains in 2012 in 2012 SAP entered into the PaaS market here. So in 2012 itself, SAP are in the PaaS market, so platform as a service market here, right? So that time they went with the SAP NetWeaver Cloud. So the naming convention, they have named it as the Neo. So NetWeaver Cloud here, NetWeaver On Demand, right? The short form is the NetWeaver On Demand here. So they went with the SAP NetWeaver product, one of the NetWeaver product, SAP NetWeaver Cloud. So they went into the platform as a service. They entered into the fast market here. Then after that, 2013, SAP renamed their Neo to the SAP NetWeaver Cloud. They renamed it to the SAP HANA. So Cloud Platform, SAP HANA Cloud Platform. They have renamed it here. Then after that, 2017. So they have why, because that time we have only Neo environments. So then they have started deploying the new environment is called the Cloud Foundry environment. So sometimes they may ask you when SAP introduced the Cloud Foundry environment, right? So it's in the 2017 itself they have introduced into the, so along with the Neo, they have introduced the one more environment is called the 27. What is this environment? The new words here. So environment are the platform as is environment. Actually, in the BTP, environments are the platform as a service here. Environments means in our playgrounds, right? We will go playground, we will play the games in the ground, right? Same as like here, in the cloud, the services want to play, then there is a ground is required. That is called the environment. Environments are required here. So that's why SAP introduced the Cloud Foundry environment in 2017. They have introduced it here. So in the 2017 itself, they have dropped HANA word from the HANA cloud. Just they have named it as the SAP Cloud Platform. SAP Cloud Platform. They have changed, they have dropped and they have changed it to the SAP Cloud Platform. They have changed it here, right? Then after that, 2018, 19, they have multiple environments they have added. But in 2021, the John 2021 John itself, they have rebranded their SAP cloud platform. The service are same, but they have rebranded this. Not only they have rebranded their cloud platform to SAP BTP Business Technology. New brand name is called the SAP BTP. So which was introduced as a new brand name for the SAP here in 2021 itself here. So why they have rebranded here, right? So they have given the explanation as well here why they have rebranded here. Why? Because they are not only providing the cloud related services here, they are providing more than that, more than cloud related services they are providing, more than that. It's not only just cloud related, they are providing the DB related, right? Software related, application related tools, development tools, they are providing more than that, right? So they are providing more than that one. Actually, the SAP cloud platform originally focused only cloud-based services for the business. Then, after some time went on, so they realized that they're not only offering the cloud-related services, they are offering more than just cloud-related services. It's better to represent their word in the market saying that so business technology platform. Why? Because they are not only providing cloud related services, application development, automation, integrations, AI. So they are more than that they are providing here. So to represent to represent their word into the broader in the market, so their SAP decided they rebrand their platform to the SAP Business Technology Platform. So that's where they have changed their naming convention to the cloud platform to the so SAP cloud platform to BTP in 2021 itself. They have changed it here, right? So SAP rebranded SAP cloud platform to BTP to better reflect their word into the market here, right? So better reflect into the market here. So here, so SAP recently they have introduced the AI also, generative AI. So generative AI here. So it's a generative AI functionalities in BTP, generative AI functionalities in BTP here. So what is this generative AI here? So data database means we know is a Sybase and HANA databases and SAP Analytics Cloud integration suite related functionality, automation kind of functionalities like RPA, robotic process. There are many services are in this comes under this pillar. Application development related services like no code, build work zone, BPA. Many things will comes under the these tools here. Every pillar there is a separate tools, including separate tools will comes under the pitch. Separate tools comes under here, right? So just let's talk about the generative AI. Generative AI here. So what is this generative AI here, right? So generative AI, it provides us the new toolbox. There is a new toolbox in the BTP. So it is SAP introduced it here, right? So it act as a so here BTP they have introduced it into the BTP act as a enable for SAP and the partner applications to leverage the AI capabilities in the SAP area as well. SAP area as well to leverage the generative AI capabilities in the BTP itself. So SAP introduced some of the capabilities in the BTP here. So generative AI capabilities in SAP BTP to improve the developer experience, some developer related tools experience, some integrations, right? Some of the process automation kind of things here, analytics, then all the related things to simplify the administration activities. So they have introduced the AI capabilities in BTP itself here, AI capabilities in BTP itself here, right? So we have to follow the best practices. We have to follow the best practices in our any we are working for the any customer. So we have to work for the we have to work on the we have to do the best practices here. So those best practices we will discuss in the so in our day-to-day classes and everything here, right? So that is the some history about the BTP and five key main pillars here. And also let's talk about I think we have only 8 members. What we can do? Because if I want to go to the main topic, we have to only if members are there. Okay, let me stop it here. I'm stopping here. So let's finalize the members who will be joining.